days I feel your pain. Every day one step at a time. Trying to make it through the concrete jungle like a high speed. Wishing we could press rewind. Looking at the face of y'all kids. Like why it had to be them. Lord free my bros. Wanna see my bros. They more to me than just friends. Kinda hard looking moms in the eyes. Knowing that she breaking down deep inside. With the feeling that she lost 2 sons. I can see that she really wanna cry. Never worry about that. You gon' both bounce back on my life. Better never ever try to doubt that. Until I see you both, I promise that I got you.
Ko hapana malieni ke ufaka malua ki hao matu alene malo homo tau hiao pe atalu e kutupu mono wako na ki imaya ke utalango fua maupe pe atuitala ki hele o e pae he ko e pale que Tau Fakataha o talano pua ki he tui talamu atama o ono matua he koe taimi si I petau whanonga.
Time after time it always runs through my mind. On your grind for the simple fact to see your young brother smile. And I'm thankful for that, and I thank you for that. Every morning I pray the Lord that he bring you back. Man of the house is 17 when pops passed away. And you ain't fold a break to even shake it straight. Yeah, away from us, kept the hood away from us. Cause when he